Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video, as you can tell from the title, this video is all about self-care, how to take care of yourself as a woman, especially during the winter time. Okay, let's go.
Using your hands. Look at you. Look.
Remember we said we was gonna do it. How you doing, honey? Sorry.
Good.
Oh, I'm tired. No, that's right.
Now my mom leftovers. They ate that thing up.
Yeah. All right, guys, we are back. Here is Mo, waxing with Mo. Okay, we are about to do a Brazilian and a stomach strip. I already did under my arms, so I'm going to show you guys an update. It's been like a week. It's been a week, like, since I did under my arms.
Yeah, like a week.
A week, and I also did my legs. The legs are completely still bare. I'm gonna show y'all that at the end, but I do everything now: legs, underarms, stomach strip, everything. Okay, so let's get into it. Like, I'm very, why am I so hot?
You know, once you go into bed, I have the fan blowing on you, okay?
Like, what did I do just now? Hold on, drink a little
Move
water.
around.
Yeah. We're going in, guys. Let me stop playing. I take off my whole dress.
Whatever you want
Oh,
to do.
I'm not doing my arms. Even though I want to show them.
You can just put the dress like all the way up. Yeah.
Okay. It's not that bad.
That's fine.
It's not that bad. I'm sorry, I think. Oh.
Just go. How long is your vacation? Like a week?
Yeah. Sorry, over Thursday. I mean, it hurt because it's not terrible. It's not terrible like the first day, but I mean, it's not as thick, so it's not as bad, but it's still very much a thing.
Okay, take a deep breath in. Out.
Ooh, chat.
How's that?
It hurt, I mean.
I like when you
It's just what I can say, you know what I mean? It just is what it is.
It is what it is.
Girl, ain't nice to me.
To me,
Girl's also nice, girl. No.
I should have never said that. Should have never told you that. Take a deep breath in. Out. There you go. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad.
Okay, go. Don't mind me, girl, don't mind me. Huh?
Your toes.
They moving?
Yeah, it was when I pulled the.
Because it was too slow. It was like a reaction, a bodily reaction.
I like how your hair just came out so easily.
Yay!
What?
Makes me feel glad.
What?
I be forgetting how you like to do it.
Okay, up a little bit more, and then you can hold up your just like how you have this leg, do the other leg too.
Oh.
Left side to your legs up a little more. Perfect. But open just a little bit wider. There you go.
I'm weak.
I know. Everybody gets weak on this part. Don't worry. You ain't the only one.
I'm so out of shape, you have no idea.
Yeah, cleanse it. And then add a little powder. Get any of that moisture.
Go ahead, YouTuber. Go ahead, girl. Explain yourself. Explain yourself, girl. Do the moisture, and then we do the wax, and then we do the oil.
Love that strip right there.
This is a nice angle too.
Let that dry for a few seconds.
So when you gonna make a YouTube channel?
Huh?
When you gonna make a YouTube channel?
I don't know. I want to try it.
You should. All you need is set up the camera, get a big tripod that they can get all your angles.
You ready for that ball?
Yep.
Blood fresh. Your client's gonna love this.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yes, angles. Oh, there's a little bit of things in there. That's how you do it, girls, okay? Make sure y'all come get everything waxed. Your cootie cat, your arms, your legs, your toes. Remember we did my toes last?
Yeah.
We even did my toes, y'all. That was so funny and so ticklish. It was definitely a fun experience, but y'all can do all this waxing with Waxing with Mo, okay? All the information is right here, okay? Let me get dressed, because I know you have a client. All wax.
Alright. This was like, I feel like this was pretty kind of quick.
Yeah, because it wasn't grown in that much.
No.
Trust me, like.
Like, let's keep it like that.
I know. I could turn into a werewolf, honestly. Truthfully.
I'm like loving that. Like,
yes.
I barely touched you between it. It was all like
barely there. Okay.
Okay.
Baby skin. Okay. I'm just kidding. Baby bottom. Okay.
Yep.
Thank you so much. All right, let me go ahead and do what I gotta do.
Alright.
And when do I come back?
You're gonna come back in 4 weeks. It's gonna hit on
4 weeks, y'all.
It's the 31.50.
We don't Cash App over here. We Zelle only. Cash App be scamming, dog.
I can't wait to watch your video.
Listen,
Oh,
Cash App be scamming. We don't Cash App no more. They didn't get it, and I literally could see the Cash App was sent, and they'll get their bank to dispute it. So I just gave money free. Why I got all this money? What is it now?
Something come out, yeah.
Okay, that's why I said wait, no, cause I mean I got paid Thursday. It's Saturday. I've been shopping, okay?
Something come out, yeah.
I've been shopping, alright?
You know that.
I need to take this wig off, but I don't know what I can't take it off because I don't know what I'm gonna do next.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to wear my hair. Not yet, anyway.
Yeah, it's about to get cold.
Yeah, I wanted to. I'm gonna get a silk press eventually because I need to check my growth. I know it's pretty much.
You should do a bob.
I was thinking that I just need the right hair. I don't know nothing about hair like that. I'm just like getting into it. So
I've given up. Okay?
Yeah.
If you don't find the right vendor,
yeah, it's hard.
it's hard.
All right, tell the girls where they can find you on Instagram.
Waxing with Mo.
Waxing with Mo, okay?
Waxing with Mo.
Hit her up on Instagram. The link is in the description box, okay? Get your cootie cat wax, your legs, your arms, everything.
Everything. Get your toes waxed.
Even your toes, okay?
Okay.
Let's do it.
Lip, chin, whatever you need.
Everything. Everything, okay? Thank you so much, honey. I'll see you.
Pre-booking is important.
Pre-booking, okay? Pre-booking.
Look at God. We played it.
Grill.
We played it right.
Okay, I got it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It was great. We'll see you soon. Y'all better book her right now.
Right now.
Right now. We're not playing with y'all. Y'all think about getting your wax? You walk different. When you get your thing. Yes, you do. I'm over here strutting my. It changed your walk, girl. Listen, I got a whole twist in my walk now. Bye. Thank you. All right guys, so that was waxing. That's the first thing I do when I am trying to do some self-care. My Saturday self-care, especially in the winter time. Number one thing is to get your cootie cat, your legs, everything waxed, okay? Y'all saw it. It was not a hard process. So the trick to waxing, the more you go, the less it hurts, okay? The more you go, the less it'll hurt. The first time is gonna hurt, the second time is gonna hurt, but that third, fourth time, baby, you could do it. And you need to be consistent with your weeks, because if you wait too long and it grows back all the way, if it grows back all the way, you done for, okay?